Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, into North Bay today. Got a few toys, but that's for other videos. This one is for a Radnor office desk chair. I would have preferred a gamer chair with no arms or flip-up arms, however, that was not in the budget. But I did find something pretty cool over at Staples, and that's this chair, and we are going to do an unboxing and assembly for you. Now, currently right now it's on sale for $119, regular $129, and for an extra $12 you can get a 1-year warranty, which is a replacement for the manufacturer's warranty, which covers even your stupidity acts apparently, which is pretty sweet. So, not that I ever get stupid, but you never know, things could happen, right? So let's get this thing and see what we need to actually put it together while we're at it. Because, yeah, we didn't read anything yet, so we don't know. Shouldn't take much for tools, maybe a screwdriver. So, I did need something that had no arms, and or flip-up arms at least. And this fits the bill, so why not? And yep, it looks like I'm going to be swapping the wheels off my gamer chair. So while I'm doing this, my wife can rip those wheels off for me. We have fake wood floors here. And yeah, I really don't want to wreck them because I don't have carpeting of any kind in my studio. Wow, that's an all-metal stand. That's pretty sweet.
There. Is that the same?
So, if this fits, these are going to go on, and I'll just buy a new set for my gamer chair. Voila! Alright, 4 more, honey. So, these are all plastic, but they will scratch your floors, so, well, another package to sell. Anyways.
You're going to need some for your other chair.
Oh yeah, that's right. I need something for my other chair in the meantime. So yeah,
We
on
got
the
a
carpet, swap those in then. Okay, so I guess I can't sell them yet. Or at all. We'll see. Anyhow, as far as the studio goes, I wasn't really overly picky. I just need to be able to sit down, play guitar, do my stuff, move around, you know what I mean? And no interference. And my regular gamer chair, well, I don't want to keep swiveling it between out here and in there. And again, it has arms on it, which kind of sucks for trying to play guitar when you got arms in the way. So, I was looking at a cheaper chair for about 80 bucks. I would strongly advise don't buy an $80 chair unless it's like a $130 chair that's on sale for 80 bucks and it's decent, but something like this, normally $129 on for $119. The reviews on it seemed really good from what we saw. And so I thought, you know what? And I took one of the demos off the shelf because I had it up in those cubby holes. And I took her down, sat on her, gave her a few spins. Thought, okay, reasonably comfy. I think we're in for this. And I'm not sitting in there for extraordinarily long times anyway, so not like it's going to be too much of a big deal. So we've got, looks like we do have an Allen key here. And step 4 part B, step 3 part A.
Oh, involved.
This should be somewhat straightforward. We're about to find out. Wow! Okay. So we definitely know that's the seat anyway.
Yeah.
This has a mesh back on it, which is kind of really cool.
Especially this summer.
I actually saw Sheldon from Big Bang Theory had a mesh back chair at one time. Or maybe he still does. I don't know. So there's our backrest. Now the chair does not tilt, and that's fine because I didn't want tilt. I don't care for tilt. Oh, and I was gonna say we didn't get the piston. Where is it? It's in the box. All right. So that just goes right in like that. Pressure fits that in place. So, ooh, greasy.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do we need for our bottom?
There's a rag if you need it. Oh, where does things go here? Which side is...
Trying to see where all the holes line up. How they line up. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So, this should actually go on the right side. Yeah, it does, because it has to double in. So, let's read some instructions, shall we? I like to make this quick and painless, but, well, it should be painless at least. We'll see. Quick, on the other hand, don't count on it. Alright, so, I need glasses. Gold ones, please. Thank you. Alright, so, step 3. Alright, we took care of 1, we took care of 2. So step 3. Hey, I was right in the direction that it goes. So that's actually pretty successful there. So we need number A. Yep, step 3A.
Letter A.
Yeah, it's relatively painless.
Yeah, Staples offers a service to put this together.
Yeah! I was like, because I saw the one chair for 80 that I almost went for, and I'm like, just give me the demo, man. Oh, but I gotta charge you the assembly fee. It's already assembled.
Exactly.
I was gonna crack a joke and say, well, I'm only paying if it's done right, because you know, like, places, I mean, Canadian Tire, we were in there today, and whoever put that sucker together, well, they broke the arm doing it, so it's like, yeah, like, I'm really going to trust you guys? I don't really think so. I wonder if this Allen key will work on one of my guitar truss rods when I'm done with it. Looks like it might fit. We'll have to see. So you do have to get these things snugged down pretty good. Don't be afraid to tighten them because, yeah, they need to be really tight. Wow. And they do have Loctite on them already, which is nice. At least these bolts do, anyway. By the way, when you are tightening bolts up like this, make sure you're pushing downward, even pressure, vertical with the key in this case, so it doesn't pop on you, because that can happen. Holy cow, yep. Alrighty, now I need some assistance, please. I need you to kind of do the balancing act here for me, if you can. Just duck down underneath the table.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, I want to make sure we still got good view here.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty. Alright. I think this is the fastest assembly video ever. By the way, if you're interested in knowing how to assemble the average gamer chair, I have a Vonese, V-O-N-E-S-S-E, or Vonese, I don't care how you pronounce it. But anyways, it's on my channel. Check out that one, because we did do an assembly on it. I've also done a video for...
Getting the line up. Whoop.
Well, I guess you gotta push down on this to...
Start line somewhere.
Anyways, I got review videos on it as well as a final review. It's to get this to... I guess it's kind of like a push.
Oh.
It's a push and squish deal. I see a bolt hole.
Get a bolt in it.
Working on it.
So the chair back meets the seat.
Oh yeah, you gotta kind of squash her down a little bit. So if you panic at first going, hey, they didn't make it right, they actually did. You actually gotta put some pressure down on this thing. Get it kind of sitting evenish. Don't tighten the bolts down, by the way, right away. Not that I assemble these things for a living, guys, but I know how stuff goes together and comes apart generally, so, you know.
And it sits together like this. There's no gap.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Okay, let's thread it in.
And there's no arms.
Yay!
Yay! No more bolts.
Okay, so now I gotta... Now, here's something I also do want to mention. Because we have 4 bolts we're dealing with, we gotta cross the pressures so that they actually go down evenly.
Kind of like a car tire.
Yeah.
You
Like with these bolts
pattern.
with the steel plate, that actually will suck itself and form it as you go, which is not a big deal. But this would be something that would be a little bit more of a critical thing where you'd want to make sure that your pressures stay even. And so you go in an X pattern basically. Looks alright. Pretty heavy gauge plastic.
Yeah. Looks well made. And we got extra warranty, so yeah.
Yep, so if it breaks or anything, it's
There you
covered.
go.
Now these you're not going to want to reef as tight, but you still got to make sure they're tight.
Yeah, you don't need it falling off.
No, but I have a pretty good idea where the stopping points are.
Yeah.
It's a feel thing for me. And I will be rechecking these bolts all the way around, probably within the next month. Alright, so that's it. So now we just got to slam her on this sucker here.
Line it up. Wow.
Nice material. Alright, let's plop a squat here.
Whoa.
Get everything to seat in. Nice little bounce. Oh, comfy. Oh, I can play my guitar now. So, that's what I got for you, man. Woo! Alright. I think when I order the new wheels, I'm going to get 2-inch because these are 3-inch. I want a little bit more flatter footing for in the guitar room.
So we'll put these back on the gamer chair.
Yeah, I'll put these back in the gamer chair and then get 2-inch ones for this.
For those, yeah.
So, yeah, that's alright.
Nice. That quick and easy.
Wow, that ever go up high? Now, maximum weight capacity of this thing is what? 250 pounds. So, I'm kind of like 200 right now, but that's okay. I'll be getting rid of that weight even more so. But even for a 200-pound guy, I mean,
yeah,
it's good.
It's
my
solid.
My gamer chair is rated for 250 pounds, and I've had 0 issues with it. I've had that for a long time now. So, but I like this. The mesh back is nice. You know, it's almost...
It's got a lumbar support.
Yeah, it's kind of like a lumbar support, I guess you'd call it, yeah. And we'll see how that goes after long periods of sitting there playing guitar and doing whatever, playing on the computer in there. And yeah, I love the soft material, though. It's almost like jogger material.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's a nice material.
Like wicks away the moisture and stuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah, so you're not going to sweat to death and die on the thing.
But
that mesh is nice.
That has a solid lumbar support underneath.
Yeah.
The mesh back.
Yeah.
See?
And that's back
right
in
there.
here.
Yeah.
Kind of prefixed position. So,
yep.
Which is fine. That's about where the average person's
yep.
lumbar is anyway.
Yep.
Lumbar. So guys, fastest assembly ever in history. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this chair. I mean, I think so far this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's a Radnor is what they call it. Mesh back and fabric seat. That's about all I tell you.
It's kind of all we need anyway, even for the church would be a couple of those.
Yeah, the church would.
With no arms, so they'd fit under the counter.
Yeah, it'd be great for you as a sound tech and whoever you got on the laptop. So
yeah, and
they're actually kind of comfy. Pop a squat, honey, and tell everybody what you think.
All right.
Wow,
this is nice. Yeah, solid. You know, you got a chair holding you up. Smooth.
All cardboard, so that all goes.
It's smooth.
Sorry, guys.
Wow. I like this chair. Yes, yes, yes. All right. I think you got a deal, honey.
Yeah. All right, guys. That's our chair. So, again, let me know what you think in the comments below. I will be giving you guys an update review. You do not have to worry about that.
Yeah, this is just unboxing and assembly.
Yeah, so this is...
We need time.
So we'll do our main review after a while of sit my butt on it for hours at a time and see what the comfort level is like. Yeah. I can sit in my gamer chair literally all day and not bother me.
Cushy.
Yeah, it's classy. But I'll see what this one's like and let you know for, like long-term sitting in it and, during the day and what it's like and let you guys know. And so we'll do that on the main review. And then, of course, much later down the road, we'll do an update after maybe a year of having it or duration. 8 months or something like that. Long term.
Yeah.
So, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. See ya.
Bye.